Welcome to the best product review channel. Top 5 electric burners are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best electric burners from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these are good to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. CB-30P1 cast iron single burner for a single hot plate that can provide up to 1,300 watts of power. This machine is fairly impressive, especially at its price. The Cuisinart CB-30P1 burner has some solid power behind it and a 6-setting temperature control knob that can keep food warm or boil water in a jiffy. Its flat plate design makes cleaning it a cinch, and bright lights indicate when it's ready for use. This single burner is as barebones and reliable as it gets without sacrificing power or heat distribution. It also seems to be a popular electric burner for those who pressure can at home, plus its infrared heat element means it's compatible with most cookware. Its only downfall is its 7-inch burner, which may be too small for a 10 or 12-inch pan. Number 2. EDB302BF Countertop Double Cast Iron Burner. Here's a double burner that heats up quickly with the turn of a few knobs. This infrared device has 2 cooking burners, with one that emits 600 watts and the other 900, measuring 5 and 6.5 inches, respectively. Adjusting the temperature on each burner is easy thanks to a knob that can either keep food warm or at a roiling boil, plus its non-skid feed ensure the burner won't slide around while in use. The maximum cookware size this burner can accommodate is up to 9.5 inches. Keep in mind, however, these dual cast iron cooking plates can fold, so if you're not in a space that can accommodate a 20-inch appliance, this model may be too big for you. Number 3. 1500W LED infrared electric portable stove with a beautiful oval ceramic glass surface, touch buttons, and an LED display. Cuisinart's single hot plate is not only one of the most elegant looking on this list, but it's also one of the strongest. This 1500-watt infrared stove supports pots and pans up to 7.9 inches wide and features a temperature-regulated surface that protects it from overheating. It also has an automatic safety shut-off if left idle for too long, which means worrying if you've turned it off or not after leaving the house is a thing of the past. Its flat top surface makes it easy to wipe clean compared to the coil and cast iron options. This burner also has a timer and plenty of display signals to show temperatures and indicate when the surface is hot. Number 4. 1800W Portable Induction Cooktop Burner. This portable stovetop from Amazon Basics is a reliable induction burner that can heat food with 200 to 1800 watts of power. Instead of relying on a knob, its temperature controls operate with the touch of a few buttons, which makes setting specific temperatures easy. It also has a timer and pause button, plus an LCD display to better show how you're using your little burner. Safety features like a child lock and overheat protection make this a smart purchase, though some reviewers say it's not as durable as they'd like it to be. While that glass panel cooktop makes for easy cleanup, be wary of scuffing and damage through use. Keep in mind that this product, like all induction cooktops, only works with induction cookware, such as cast aluminum, enameled iron or steel, cast iron, or magnetic bottom stainless steel. Number 5. GAO 80305 Electric Single Burner. Ideal for the smallest of spaces and electric burner budgets, this single plate is 5 inches long, while the entire squarish unit measures roughly 9 inches. It's barebones and operates with a knob, with a single light indicating when it's turned on, and non-slip rubber feet that prevent this device from moving while in use. This burner is great for those looking for one that doesn't take much space and is easy to move, especially at just under 2 pounds. The coil, however, makes it slightly annoying to clean, and you'll have to tilt it upward to wipe underneath the drip tray. Many reviewers say this little unit is terrific for its price, though they aren't a fan of how quickly it accumulates messes while cooking. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button. Press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product's link.